Well guys, it's that time again. It's time to install the air conditioner. Wait a minute. Didn't we just put an air conditioner down here? It's gone. This is a CT10. We had a CT16. Do you know why? Right there's the CT16. Now you're saying, why two? Why is there one out? Are you replacing it? Yes, but no. It ended up being the 16,000 BTU unit back here was a little too big for our aft cabin. That's probably big enough to do the whole boat. What we're gonna do is take the 16, move it all the way to the front and install it up there to do the salon and forward cabin. And the CT10 that we got from a sponsor that helped us out quite a bit, CitiMarine.com. If you haven't checked them out, check them out. They are amazing. That's where I got the soft start for the 16. That's where I got the replacement thermostats. That's where I got the easy start for this guy. Their customer service is amazing, very friendly, knowledgeable people on their products. They happen to be one building away from CTM, so it's their main retailer, distributor, which is awesome. CTM air conditioners, we're not sponsored by them, but they have been, the one we've had in here has been amazing. I've loved it. It's titanium coils. It's just, it works, and it's compatible with controller for your thermostat controller. Is compatible with everything out there. So what I'm going to do is open this up and wire in the soft start into here so we can run it off our Victron inverter and or a generator, because we have a Honda EU2000 that we're going to try to run at least one of these off of when we're out on the hook if we have to. Let's try to get this thing down there and blow in some cold air. This is not light. Water out. Water in. And I apologize, guys. It's hard to see down here. I know. Let's put that hose clamp on. Tighten this hose clamp up. Mount the soft start back here on the wall. Now we'll come up. Since I have some lovely screws already just perfectly mounted here on the wall, almost like there was another CTM box here. Then we have this lovely guy. We'll pop through here. Plug into there. So now we've got one more part to change out, and that's down in the cabin. All right, from Citi Marine, we had gotten this thermostat, which works fine, but it's very basic. It basically turns the fan on and off and controls the temperature. And I wanted the fan to be able to ramp up and down and actually turn the blower fan off when it didn't need it. I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect it. So we got this lovely thing. Do you want to do the honors or you want me to?
I will, since I'm right here.
Okay, spark it up, baby.
Ready?
Go. I heard it click. Okay, are we ready? Is it power maybe? 84, auto. There's the pump. There it kicked on. But what this will do as well, I can set this up to run for a dehydration mode, so it'll kick on and try to suck a lot of the water out of both, the humidity. I think it's time to put the big one up front and start that major project.
What are you doing that you're mumbling to yourself?
I'm gonna make this a cold locker.
I like cold lockers.
They make things kind of go when they're cold.
Shrivel up like a turtle.
And then they go like this.
That's the hole for, I think, our new AC unit that Mr. is building with all that stuff.
That looks like it's about center. Oh, damn it.
What'd you do, Lucy?
You can't make this stuff up. Center enough. So now what I need to do is make sure that the base of the AC is a foot wide. Now that I've done all this and I haven't measured the air conditioner. So I gotta get.
You're gonna go make yourself pissed off?
No.
You're good. Why are you good?
I'm just good. Now I'll go cut this. Bump, bump, bump. But it's in. It's down there. I see it. Now I just gotta run ductwork through, down, up, tee it somewhere in here. Well, last time we looked, there was an air conditioner in here. And it's making noise. Yep. That's our CTM 16,000 BTU air conditioner with the controller here. I've mounted the south start right next to it. I come up with the ductwork here on the side and I've run it through a hole and aft. And that's a 6-inch ductwork that's insulated. So it's keeping it nice and cool. I can show you kind of what I've done and where I've gone with the ductwork. The power was run up here. We've got the seacock right underneath in the middle of the forward V-berth here. The sea strainer is aft a little bit because it has to be down with the water line. I don't have a boost pump to get it up above the water line. I've had to lower it, put it aft and back so it'll be able to supply water. And from there it sucks it up into a boost pump that shoots it up here at 500 gallons an hour to keep this cold. It's running, it's doing a good job, no complaints. I'm very happy with this. It's putting out a lot of air. We have gone aft and I put a T in to the ductwork where I come off in it from a 6-inch down to a 4-inch, and that's what supplies this forward V-berth with cool air. Is a 4-inch duct comes in here, and then the rest of this goes back in the salon, and I can show you kind of where I hid the ductwork and what I did to get it there. Right on the other side of this bulkhead is where the T is, and I have a 4-inch duct that runs up over here that supplies the air in here. And here you can see is the ductwork that comes through the forward bulkhead, and I can show you where it goes from there. Thermostat line follows it as well.
It's right there because it's cold.
What I've done, as you can see, right here's the ductwork coming through the bulkhead down here, comes up into here. And then I have it coming right up in here, and I took a return box, cut a hole in the back and put the 6-inch vent and just covered this up. And I'm going to take a piece of wood, probably some real nice veneered finished plywood that I got, and put over here since it's 1/2 inch, and it should make it look real finished and good. It's been outside about 95, 96 degrees. Again, no insulation anywhere in the boat. We've had that blasting on the boat with just plexiglass windows, and the boat's been hovering anywhere between 77 and 81 degrees. But our weather station says that we have had 40% humidity in the boat. So even though it's 81 degrees in the boat right now, but it's got 40% humidity, it feels like 75, 74 degrees in here. So it's nice and cold. At least it feels cold because it's very dry, and this air is nice coming out of here. Here is the thermostat. It's not attached yet. What I'm going to do is get another piece of wood or veneer to go over the top of this, router it out. It will fit in there just perfectly. There's a little more finish work to do. The boat is cold. It's working great. So I'm going to also affix that air conditioner down, since I like the placement of it. There's clips that go over the base and you just screw them down in a holding plate so it doesn't move around underway. And then that project's going to be done. Oh, and I have to affix the sea strainer. Yeah, minor details. It's working. It makes it tolerable in here. I kind of like it. What do you think, Nancy?
I love it.
Okay. Sponsored by CTM, but Citi Marine definitely helped us out. And if you need anything whatsoever, click the link below. Give Citi Marine a call. They are the CTM dealer in the US. They're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Fabulous people to work for. Anything I've needed is bam, delivered right now. Granted, we are 5 hours away from them. If I place the order, it's usually being shipped that day. It's a great company to work with. I continue to work with them. I love these CTM air conditioners. We've got the two of them, the 16,000 up front and the 10,000 in the aft. It actually is cold at night. I don't sleep in blankets, but I have 2 blankets at night. So it's,
I do.
It's nice.
I sleep like a little warm burrito.
You are a little burrito. I highly recommend CTM units, titanium coils. I'm very impressed with them. This air conditioner's been running for 4 months. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I highly recommend these AC units for CTM. I cannot say a negative thing about them. It puts out a lot of nice air flow, air pressure. They work great in an uninsulated boat. It's kept it tolerable in nasty Florida summer. 2 thumbs up. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, speaking of, down below. Like, subscribe. Hey, Nancy, are we ready to go yet?
I want to so bad.
We're so close. So close.
We're talking dates now, people.
So why don't you tune in next week and see what trouble I get into next. There's going to be some big trouble coming up here. A week where I'm on the boat alone. Who knows what's going to happen? I might just drill holes in the boats for fun. How's that sound?
Lord,
yeah?
Lord help me.
Stay tuned. Check us out next week. We got some fun stuff coming up. We've got some thinking power coming. So we'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.